I feel so alive, yeah, I'm happy head to toe, I'm in overdrive, well alright, clear those clouds away, I can feel the sun, yeah.
So we are now here in Key West at the southernmost point, and we usually don't get a picture here because the line is too long, but we're here super early today.
All right, so we're off to our first adventure, which is food-based. We're going to the hot tin roof. Hopefully we're not like a bunch of cats on a hot tin roof when we get there. I'm here all week. All week. The comedy just keeps coming.
Hot Tin Roof Restaurant overlooks the Key West Harbor. It is a local seafood restaurant, and it is on Duval Street at Ocean Key Resort. How would you think breakfast was?
View, 10 out of 10. Food, 5 out of 10.
You go there for the ambiance, I think, so. Yeah. The view was spectacular.
I mean, amazing, and the whole, like, there were curtains and there was breeze and it was just beautiful.
But the food itself was not as good.
No, don't get the tomatoes.
We're getting our, what are we getting?
Scooters.
Scooters. So the good thing about this place is we can bring it back late, and they have a key drop. So we don't have to worry about what time we have to be back.
We can be out all night long.
We'll probably stay out till at least 8.
Yeah.
So I forgot my sunscreen, and Key West is way too hot and the sun is way too strong to not have sunscreen. So our first stop was to find a CVS drugstore so we could get some sunscreen. When we pulled into the CVS, we didn't notice at first the chicken sitting there. It's important. Just wait and you'll see why. So first we had a little fun looking at the different ways that Kevin and Eric wear their GoPro. When we came back out of CVS, the chicken came walking out from its little spot, just nothing wrong, everything looking great, and all of a sudden dropped to the ground and held up his wing like he was terribly hurt. And we were so confused with what was going on till we realized that the chicken was faking it. Who knew that a chicken could be that smart and tricky? I've never heard of a tricky chicken, but this chicken was a tricky chicken. She was pretending that she was hurt so that if we had some food or something like that, she could get some food from us. And as soon as she realized that we didn't have any food, she got up and was fine. So this tricky and amazing chicken is going to join us on the rest of our Key West adventure. Scooters are fantastic and a great way to get around in Key West because it's really hard to find parking, except for if you're on Duval Street, you still have to pay for parking.
Okay, so I got key lime pie on a stick, and I am super looking forward to it if I can get it open. It's hard to get this out, Rick.
Got the goods. I have to take a picture. It's so good.
We all started our key lime at the same time. This is ours. And mine. Here's Taylor's. And here's Eric's.
You gotta savor the moment.
We hoovered ours.
He didn't grow up in a household where if you had sweets, I would come eat them before you finish them.
But he did grow up in a household with what? 9 brothers and
sister.
The trick is to run off and hide somewhere.
That's why he runs off and eats by himself. Will this be big enough for our charcuterie board?
Yeah, if we have 2 crackers. I could have just taken a picture of this. One free thing you can do here in Key West is look at the head garden with all the heads. That boy's got some lamb chops. That guy's rocking the Magnum PI stash. Okay, so we're at the Blue Parrot here in Key West, Florida. And I am getting yelled at for speaking so loudly and confidently on my YouTube video. We are at Blue Heaven, not the Blue Parrot.
Heaven.
As soon as I said Blue Parrot, my parrot over here.
Can you find it?
Reminded me that it's Blue Heaven. And it is a very unique place where outside dining kind of in the trees. Don't tell him we're getting the chicken.
We have the yellow the yellow submarine, like the yellow snapper.
And I had the loaded, Eric and I had the loaded bowl with shrimp.
I would say that it's a very cool vibe here, and it looks like they have really good dessert here. I would maybe come back. I would definitely recommend coming back for dessert. We are at Fort Hammock State Park. We're getting ready to go to the beach, but there's some
Zachary.
Oh, sorry, Fort Zachary State Park. Getting ready to go to the beach, and there's some stinging life out there. So what they call it?
Portuguese man of war, baby.
Our spot here is really nice.
Whatever cold drink that girl had.
So we set up our hammocks, and now we're ready to hit the water.
Pro tip, get a hammock. You can set it up all over the place.
He's really enjoying Key West at its finest. We are at happy hour at Alonzo's, and I'm really sweaty, so I probably just want you to take a picture of them.
This way, a bunch of beautiful fishing vessels. Okay, so just want to put some gluttony on display here. We're looking at all the goodies. I eat appetizers, so I'm not tied to one meal, and I can be free. be free to eat whatever appetizers I want.
We're so tired. You can probably tell. Look, I have like a black eye. My mascara.
I got a black eye. It's hot. I'm just trying to find Cuban coffee. For Cuban coffee, the address says
Look at it on the
284 Margaret Street, Naval Air Station, Key West.
map. Look at the map. Think you to go back to the camper after the sunset? I like driving these scooters around. I could be here all night.
You couldn't. Your eyes are so tired.
Fight.
Look, he is just not in the mood. So this is the last thing we're gonna do in the Keys. We are gonna watch the sunset at Fort Zachary State Park. And we have a charcuterie board and we have our hammocks up and we are going to enjoy.
Beautiful day. I'm exhausted from being in the sun though all day and just had a wonderful time. And it's a great place to visit in the fall or in the spring for sure. So I hope that you can get a chance to come down here and get a chance to be free.
'Cause this is our world and this is our time. These are our plans. We're gonna let them shine. This is our place in the human race, and we won't stop dreaming.
So we've had an amazing day today in Key West and we've enjoyed a lot of really fun things. And the most important thing was that we were together.
Yeah, awesome time, just great. As you can see, it's just beautiful out there with the sailboats. Wonderful sunset, great ending to the day. Have to say I might have to go swing by and get one more piece of the key lime pie on a stick. That's calling my name right now, but wonderful time.
So, once again, be free.
Be free.
We are 100% coming back to the Keys. So comment on this video and share some adventures that we haven't gone on that would be great for us to do the next time. Also, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe